Okay. First of all, I'm wearing my boyfriend's t-shirt because, yeah, in the 80s, Adamant, he was my imaginary boyfriend. I mean, obsessed. I can't even with that. Anyway, today we're doing magnetic lashes. If you guys follow me on Instagram, which if you don't, get right on there, Stung by Samantha. Instagram, I post stories every day. I'll do like makeup, workouts. I mean, just like little snippets of my life. And yeah, I did say I want to do a magnetic lashes tutorial. I've never done this before. I'm super nervous. I got the Ardell magnetic lashes. And yeah, I've read that you kind of just want the half lashes, not the full lashes. These are really difficult, but yeah, I'm going to go ahead and cut them up because I'm pretty sure there's no way you can put them on your eyes as is, or it'll just be too difficult. So let's get on with the Ardell Professional Magnetic Lashes in Double Demi Wispies. Now, the top lash, I'm going to keep as is. It's the bottom lash that I'm going to cut up into 3 sections because that's what I read you're supposed to do. You're supposed to lay the top lash on, and then with the 3 sections that you cut on the bottom in between the magnets, you're supposed to do the outer edge, the inner edge, and then the bottom, I mean the middle last. And it just sounds so complicated. So let me start. I'm going to start chopping up these lashes. Wish me luck. Wish me luck. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is just take one of the upper lashes, and I'm just going to check to make sure it actually like fits my eye. I'm just going to set it right on top. It's kind of long for my eye, but actually, if I come all the way right down to the inner corner, still, God, these are hella long. Wow. I don't know that I want to cut anything off of this. It is very dramatic. That's funny. I'm just going to go to Whole Foods after this. Maybe the farmer's market. Yeah, I don't think I'm going to cut anything off. I'm going to go for this crazy ass big lash. Okay. Oh, here we go. Okay, you guys, I don't quite even know how I'm supposed to do this because, yeah. There's the lash. I'm just going to go ahead and set the top lash on. And I read that you can't use tweezers because the tweezers are metal and the magnets are just going to go ahead and stick to that. All right, well, and also you have to use mascara. These might be too long actually. Just getting them to sit there is hard, as just getting them to sit on your eyes is ridiculously hard. Okay, now it's too long. I gotta go grocery shopping today, and I can't go at 10 o'clock at night, so this better not take all day. All right, let's sit that bad boy there. It's not even on my lash, though. Okay, so first section, connect. That just fell right off. You guys, please. This is making me nervous wreck. I'm just holding it like this. They feel like hella heavy. This is the one that's the most important, actually. I can't even open my eye. That lash is too big. That lash is too big for a girl to wear. I mean, it did work though, you guys. I will say, but look, I gotta cut that off. Top piece. I gotta try again. Okay, you guys, I got one of them on, but it was such like a hot mess to get it on. It is kind of satisfying when they clip together, I will say that, because like you're like, yes. But as you can see, it's really heavy on the outer edge, and there's kind of nothing right there. You see? I mean, I think individual lashes would actually be way easier with like glue. I can get them on like that. Oh, my snap's not very good. Let me try the other eye. This is really pissing me off. Like my mood is like coming down. But, you know, not all the way down, not all the way down. Okay, you guys. Pretty sure I almost induced a hot flash. Okay, let's just take a gander. This side is, I mean, I can try to redo that side because look how long they are. They are so dramatic. I wonder if I can just do an edge. You guys know I'm like the worst. I'm like, I don't want to give up. Like, I don't like to give up. You know what I mean? You know, that's just my personality. They feel like I have two dogs sitting on my, no, okay, not dogs, two parakeets, like butterflies. No, 3 butterflies on each eye just sitting there chilling. They're very heavy. This eye is like driving me crazy. It's so, I got to do that one over. But final thoughts. You know, I mean, if you practiced every day, I just want to do the edges. If I could just do the edge, I would be totally happy. I think I might try that. If you practice every single day, yeah, you might get good at these. But these are just going to be experimental. I'm just going to chop them all up and see what I can do. Very frustrating, but I didn't expect much because I had done a lot of research on this and had read that they are really, really difficult. But yeah, like my eyes are like so heavy, and it's really windy in the city that I live in. And I'm pretty sure these might blow right off my eyes. But yeah, that is it for today. Just a quickie. I just wanted to get in there and show you these. So I hope you guys have a great day. I think it'd be better if you just like work out with me instead of like trying to put these lashes on, because you will have done already a 45-minute workout with me, like a HIIT workout with me by the time you get these on. So I'd rather you get like the strong body than the fab lash. Regular lashes are hard to put on. I would say if you guys want to practice. My camera just ran out of memory, so I just quickly deleted some files, but look at this. So here's the difference with and without. I just couldn't handle it, even though that one looks really pretty. It's so heavy. I think I'm going to try to chop it and do it one more time. Can I just one more time? Give me another shot at it, Ardell. Give them one more shot. I replaced this one, and what I did was I actually used a different piece, not the actual first piece there. I think the key for these is to look for the magnet placement. So the first portion of this that was supposed, the bottom lash that was supposed to connect to the upper, it didn't have a really big magnet. So I just used a different section because I figured like, I just chopped them all up and looked for that little black magnet, and getting the front and the side bit connected first it truly is a key. And then the center one, that one just flies in easy, but get the inner corner and the outer corner magnet on first. And then, like I said, center one. And again, it doesn't matter like what part of the lash you use when you chop them all up. It's kind of like all the same. So the one that was supposed to be in the middle, I put over here. So then I had to trim the lash because it's obviously too long, and I might trim it a little bit more, but it definitely makes it more believable. And, you guys, I can't go out like this. People think I lost my damn mind. Like, I'm not going to the club. I have to go to like Whole Foods. But it's kind of glam, right? All right. Let me back up. All right. That's it for today, you guys. Hope you like this video. Please put a comment below if you've tried Ardell magnetic lashes or Kiss magnetic lashes or many of the other brands that I hear that are out there. Put a comment below and let me know. Let me know if you like them and if you were able to actually get them on. And they do, ugh, they're so heavy. Why? How long am I going to be able to wear them? I'm bringing the box with me. I'm just going to hit the streets and see how long these stay on in windy San Francisco. Hope you guys have a great day. And yeah, so I'm not too mad at them. I'm a little mad at them, but I'm not a person who gives up. And I kind of like the struggle. You know, I get in there with the struggle. But that's it for me. You guys have a great day. Mwah, mwah, mwah. I have so many workout videos, over 90, fashion videos, makeup videos, you name it, I got it. So hope you guys will follow me, like this video, subscribe, and share with someone that you love. And oh, before you go, hit that bell button, because you hit that little bell there, that will give you notifications every time a new video comes out, because, you know, who knows when I'm going to be posting these days. I've just been like, you know, I'm just like not feeling it sometimes, so I don't want to post. But I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Bye. Ooh. Yep. Okay, you guys, I'm not gonna lie. I tried to cut them up, and they're just too long, too much work. I don't have the patience. I don't know a lot of people who do, who have a job and children. And if you're older, over 50 or over 40, you have to get so close up into the lash line to actually set the false lash on top to meet it with the other magnet. And you have to get so close, and already at our age, we can't even see. So I think if my vision was better, I would probably be able to finesse getting it in there, but so much work that I don't know. I don't want to throw them out, but I'm like not happy right now. But hey, you guys, please let me know what you think, if you actually have better vision and you were able to see, or if any lashes at all, magnetics, have worked on you. Okay, all right, look at that. I gotta make that face, because I'm like, I'm not that pissed. I just gotta get out of the house now. I gotta move my body, because I've been sitting around all day making videos for you, and you, and you. Okay, bye. Don't give up. Well, unless you have to.